Good afternoon, everyone. Back in the kitchen today, and yesterday I finally got around to grinding up all the deer meat that we have from last season. And one of the favorite recipes I like to do with the ground meat is burgers, of course. And today I'm going to be doing a Hawaiian themed burger that I just saw and thought that would be really good as a deer burger. So I'm going to give it a shot and see how it tastes. Got all the ingredients out in front of me here, and pretty excited about this one. It's an awesome summertime meal, so let's get started. Alright, first things first is ingredients. Here I have provolone cheese, some Hawaiian rolls, butter, obviously the ground meat patties, which is 80% venison and 20% beef fat, then a Hawaiian rub, which is just paprika and some various other barbecue spices. I have cored out pineapple slices that I just sliced up at about a 1/2 inch thick. And then lastly, some thick cut bacon. And we're gonna put all this together to make one delicious burger. Okay, what I'm gonna do first here is season my burger. So like I said, this is 80-20 venison and beef fat, and I just have this Hawaiian barbecue rub that I'm just gonna dust them with. Should add nice flavor to it. For those of you who do not know, when you're grinding deer meat for burger patties at least, because the deer meat is so lean by itself, you need to add some kind of fat to it to work as a binder. Otherwise, when you cook it, it'll just all break apart, which is not good for burgers. So just getting this all seasoned up, and then we're ready to start putting it together for the grill. Alright, got the burgers seasoned up over here. Now we can start putting this thing together. So the way we're going to do this is take our thick cut bacon, take 2 slices per patty, lay them in an X like so, just like that. Make sure they're nice and even. Then take one of your pineapple slices. Like I said, I cut them about a 1/2 inch thick. Lay it right in the center of that X. And then take our burger patty, stack it right on that. Now you can take your bacon, lay it over each side, just like that. Now I have these toothpicks. Probably use 2 per patty. Just put it right through each side of the bacon ends. And now when I throw this on the grill, I'm going to do pineapple side down. So that cooks first and then finish it with the meat side. Alright, so that's one patty. I'm going to do the second one and then we can go preheat the grill. Alright everyone, just got the grill preheated. It should be ready to go. And as you saw, I've already put together the burgers, so let's go put these on the grill and get them cooking. Alright everyone, just got the burgers off of the grill, and I mean, it looks delicious. First off, I'm going to address the elephant in the room. Obviously they don't look like the ones that I put together here in the kitchen before the grill. What happened was, once I put them on the grill, the bacon kind of cooked through and just broke apart. So right now I just have stacked patty, provolone cheese, and then the pineapple with the bacon on the side, and I'll just assemble all the burger together. That's probably the best way to do this if I were to change this up. Instead of wrapping it and making it look all pretty like that, just assemble it that way in the end. So like I said, I got the burger, the pineapple, and the bacon. Got some toasted buns that I brushed with butter and then, toasted up. Then for the condiments, I'm just gonna go with a barbecue sauce and some lettuce, and it should be real delicious. So let's put this thing together. So just gonna start with my buns. Take some of my barbecue sauce and put it on each one. Top and bottom bun. And take burger patty, slide it right onto the bottom bun. A couple pieces of bacon. And slices of lettuce. And top it off with the bun. Should be good to go. Alright y'all, got this thing put together. It's looking so good and I'm starving. So I'm gonna dig in right now. Yeah, that is perfect. That definitely screams Hawaiian. And it's such a good summertime burger. I'm loving this. I'm definitely gonna do it again next time. Well, y'all, that's going to do it for me today. I'm glad you guys were able to join me. I really appreciate all the support on my videos, and I hope that you guys like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you from the kitchen next time.